Hello everybody, welcome back to Americom. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, if this is your first time watching our content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you like, you comment, and you share. Because actually the lesson of today, I don't know how I'm actually describe it, okay? So leo Americom we decide kufanya ndogo spectaculars, okay? Like ngelijapa ndogo nzuri leo, riso jarone petit à petit, ndogo zilo tableau vano atamshine muzielewe. Parce que ngomono el tableau la rahara la jaya, cela veut dire mazino ndogo kama bazio muhimu lazima rizijue. Après, I recommend you that you listen attentively because like this is so important, all right? All right, so let's go. Here we have words and expressions, all right? Words and expressions, okay? So, nakarongwa words and expressions, ça veut dire on va avoir des mots après des phrases aussi. Do you understand? So here today we're gonna see how we can actually manage all of these words that are on the board. Ngerjarone namna utilize zimozino atashinde rizielewe, right? Après, c'est pas seulement zinozilio vano rizio nao, bego na zangina du coup, ngerndao doucement, right? Parce que quand on doit Rivaharening, right? So on va doucement. Alright, so here we have with, without, unless, within, soon, provided that, since, although, while, instead, another. So mozilo gerja rizone namna ridio suzurumia kwa phrase rizone tena shifaransa shazo, okay? Ça sera très bon, okay? So here we have with. With, ça veut dire avec, okay? Avec. So, exemple Leonevano, ngirna, she will go to the beach with her friends, okay? So, she will go to the beach with her friends. Ça veut dire attenda à la plage avec ses amis. Do you understand? She, you know, elle, okay? Donc, attenda à la plage avec ses amis. Do you understand? Okay, so here we have without. Without, ça veut dire sans. Do you understand? Example, they can't travel without a permission. Quand on a pashia, voici sans une permission. So here we have they can't travel without a permission. So here we have unless. Unless en français ça veut dire à moins que, okay? So par exemple, the t-shirt looks good on you unless you don't want to buy it, okay? Oh my god, the t-shirt looks good on you unless you don't want to buy it, okay? Mari go dukani go tsahuongo tia matriko mwenyewe dukani wow triko hiyo hukensiswaf amwe kwe kusawa nunua. Do you understand? Alright, so unless ça veut dire à moins que. Alright? Okay, so here we have until. Until, ça veut dire jusqu'à. Alright? So here we have I will be here until I meet him. I will be here until I meet him. Ça veut dire nitokava no mpaka nimrakontre. Jusqu'à nimrakontre denjola hapana. Morna ka ngoyom, do you know what I mean? So somebody owes you some money and you like, bro, I'm not gonna leave this place until I meet the guy because he gonna give me my money. Alright, so this lava no this bullshit. Paka ni jusqu'à ni mbakontre ambe ma pesa yangu, okay? Alright, so here we have within. Faites attention, within yona explication mbili bele ongerono de moja. Donc le ongerono d'ici quelque chose, okay? So nangalia phrase verso leo, I will pay you within 2 weeks. I will pay you within 2 weeks. Ça veut dire nitsohuliba d'ici 2 semaines. D'ici 2 semaines. Donc d'ici a mois, I will pay you within a month, okay? Alright, so here we have soon. Soon, ça veut dire bientôt, alright? So par exemple, on a she will be here very soon. Elle sera ici bientôt, alright? So ça veut dire amatsokavano bientôt. Bientôt atsoja, okay? Narimlide, alright? So here we have provided that. Provided that, ça veut dire à condition que. Alright? So, par exemple, on a he can eat provided that he will pay. Manu udungana nyaho restaurant be kusa mnyahala unamba leo kusila hindu one, right? So you like we kumlishi mnyahala, so let him eat. You that's a food, man. And you like, okay, no problem. He can eat provided that he will pay. Atuchwali a condition ken ngelibo. Right? So I'm not gonna pay his bill, but he gonna pay his bill. So provided that, ça veut dire à condition que. Alright? Okay, so here we have since. Since, ça veut dire depuis. Alright? So I have been here since morning. Donc je suis ici, gambano rangwa subi demlio ban. Mondari ma pesa bank après la queue, you know. So you're like, oh my God, I've been here since morning. Alright? So la queue nyengi tikarama subi demlio ban okay skiri akoma, right? You know, some kind of like wondering and stuff, you know. So here we have although. Although, ça veut dire bien que. Bien que. Alright, so here we have an example here. We have, although I have your money, but I can't come. Alright? Bien que j'ai ton argent, but it's not your need, parce que supposons gamna problem, gamna wana tashaushi, right? So although I have your money, but I can't come there. Alright? I can't come, probably tomorrow. Peut-être demain déjà. Mais Léo gamna occupation. I don't know, okay? So this is how it works. Although I have your money, but I can't come there. Alright? But I can't come. Okay? Alright, so here we have while. So while, ça veut dire pendant que. Okay? Pendant que. Après while, yorumishia harma sensi angina. Be longero sensi. Inoya pendant que. So kangina sona sensi angina ya he. Alright? For example, on a ici, they were playing while I was reading. So they were playing while I was reading. Ça veut dire, wako jouer, ils étaient en train de jouer pendant que ni kosoma livre yangu, I don't know. Okay, so pendant que ni kosoma shoshangu, you know what I mean? Yeah, so you like, they were playing while I was reading. Yode mana tsahuki amba ukorema mlango, I don't know. Okay, so they were playing while, pendant que ni kosoma lecture, alright? So they were playing while I was reading. Okay, so here we have instead of. Instead of, ça veut dire au lieu de, alright? So par exemple, on a, you can use my car. You can use my car instead of taxi, okay? So, oh my God, no problem. You can use my car instead of taxi, okay? So you like, so jorme garlango au lieu d'utiliser un taxi, so jorme lango, right? Yeah, so instead of, ça veut dire au lieu de, alright? So here we have another. Another, ça veut dire un autre. Ou bien une autre. Ok? Un ou bien une. You understand? So here we have, we need another plate of food. Na kama ni restaurant uli, playa handa be kwa kura, ngo tsahona yangina tena, au ngo mtsahao yangina, you know what I mean? So you like, excuse me waitress, or excuse me waiter, we would like to get another plate of food. So we need another plate of food. Alright? So that's what's so helpful, right? Après kazako mari tuwana na zangina parce que zonyengi lemo pareil, okay? Rizido zumia hamas phrase richuena shifaransa zaizmo. Alright, so that's gonna be really helpful. And I really think that you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching. Actually, if there is any problem, you can comment down below that you didn't understand or whatever. It's not a problem. I will answer you. Okay, so nakango problem. So job comment amba oh tsailo amana instead of you know what I mean? So I don't know. So this is actually what Americom wanted to show you today. Okay, so Ritodada Hamwa, I shall see you in the next lesson, alright? Peace.